Imagine a future where the devastating effects of climate change were not just stopped, but reversed. What if, by 2050, humanity had restored our planet's natural balance? Welcome to If Chronicles, where I explore alternate realities shaped by human ingenuity. Today I ask, what if we succeeded in reversing climate change? Right now, climate change is one of the greatest challenges we face. But what if the world united around an urgent, radical agenda? Picture a decisive turning point, one where governments, businesses and individuals embraced a green revolution. Massive reforestation programs absorb excess carbon. Advanced carbon capture technologies pull emissions from the air. A complete transition to renewable energy eliminates fossil fuels. Global treaties enforce strict environmental policies that accelerate the change. A bold, coordinated effort, a race not just to stop the damage, but to heal the planet. Imagine a world where the air is pure, oceans thrive with marine life, and cities are built for both people and the planet. Clean energy powers our homes, cars and industries. Biodiversity flourishes, reversing mass extinction. Sustainable cities redefine urban life, green rooftops, vertical forests and zero-waste policies. This wouldn't just transform the environment, it would reshape economies, public health and global security. What if reversing climate change unlocked a future of innovation and unity? But this future isn't just about technology, it's about people. What if climate change became the catalyst for a global cultural shift, a movement that redefined prosperity, where progress was measured not just in profit, but in sustainability and well-being? Imagine a world where every generation inherits a planet healthier than the one before. What if reversing climate change by 2050 wasn't just a dream, but a reality we built together? This isn't just a vision for the future, it's a call to action inspired by this alternate future. Subscribe to If Chronicles, share your thoughts and join me as we explore the power of human ingenuity to reshape our world.